Welcome to my channel. My name is Lydia Meggison, and if it's the first time you are seeing this beautiful face, let it not be your last. Subscribe, like right now, share this video with your friends, your family, because it's a very helpful video. And from the title of this video, we're going to be learning how to do our brows. I'm going to be starting the video now, so if you like to learn how to do your brows, keep on watching. You want to make sure that the brows are primed and dry for the products that are coming. So you just prime your hair, just prime. I like to prime down my eyelids too and a little bit of my forehead because products are still going to get there. So what I like to do is that I like to wait for each and every of my products to set in before I move on to the next step. So what I like to do next is I like to take a little bit of powder to set my brows so that any oil that is coming out this powder can just take it in before it starts seeping through my makeup. So that's what I'm doing here. So what I like to do is I like to brush my hair upwards and like so. Now with all these steps that I'm doing, the powder I put in it on my eyebrows is already like sinked into my skin, like taking out all the oil. This is the Davis pencil in 18. It's my favorite actually. I've tried so many and they just keep disappointing, but this can last for months. This single pencil, once it's in full length, it can last for months. So, and it's very affordable. I have other pencils, but this is my favorite of all time. So what we're going to do now is start drawing. You start from the bottom so that you can have full control of what you are doing. I'm just going to keep quiet now so that you guys can watch what I'm doing. So you can see that once I was doing the brows, I didn't start from the front. I just started from, like, I started down from the front, but the up part I didn't start from the front, so that I can have the illusion of a natural brow. So as I do my brows, I like to brush. So I brush, and I brush. So once I've outlined the brow, the next thing I like to do is go in over with my brow gel. So I'm going now, just going to line it. Notice that I did not use the pencil to fill in my brows. I don't do that. What I just use is this only. So I just do this, I do this. Hope you guys can see me. I do this, clean, and see how light it is. That is the goal you are going for. You want your brows to be as light as possible. So we're going to do the second one now. And whenever you're doing your brows, you always want to sharpen your pencil. You always want to sharpen your pencil. You want it to be as sharp as this. I hope this focuses. We're doing the second one now. So you just kind of, you don't draw the line, but I like to follow it just like so. So we're doing the second one. I'm just going to keep quiet. You need full concentration. When you talk, the brow shakes. Your eyebrow is for expression, so once you are talking, it is shaking. So we're going to do the second one now. Once I'm doing my brows, I like to brush so that I can get full potential out of the brows. So I'm just brushing it upward, slightly brush the back like downward a bit, but they all have to go up. So I just brush and brush. And the thing is that you don't have to be so hard on yourself as a beginner. You don't have to be so hard on yourself as a beginner. Your brows are supposed to be sisters, not twins. I believe that's the correct saying, because even your natural brows, look at your natural brows. I mean the one that your hair that is there, they are both not the same shape. So while drawing, you cannot expect it to be the same, like totally the same. So you just have to try your best and leave the rest for God that gave you natural brows. So let's continue. Moving on to the next step, eyebrow gel. you brush it upward always, so they can give you the illusion of the lightest brow possible. The lightest brow possible. You brush it up always, brush it up always, brush it up always. So I'm not going to be confusing you guys with names of products now, because I know that if you are on this video, you are likely a beginner or you're finding it difficult to do something. So I'm just going to be doing it. I'll just be saying basically things. Brow pencil, this brush is called the spoolie, and the other one is, okay, I use only one brush now, so that brush is the spoolie, the one that is, and this is one of my brow pencils actually. This one's one of the fancy ones, like mechanical thing going on, but this part is a spoolie. So just use it to brush my hair upward. That's what I use it for mostly. So what I'm saying is that if there are any mistakes in your brows, like the lines are not straight, you just straighten it up and continue with your life. Moving on to the next step, we're going to be cleaning out the brows with front part with a concealer that is my shade, and the middle part that is lighter, a concealer shade that is lighter than me. So we're just going to be doing, so I like to start from the middle part. That's the one that is lighter than me. I just start there. I clean it out. Make your hand as straight as possible. Yes, you just take the remaining parts, the remaining ones on the brush down. Take it down, down, down. Yeah, so we're going with the shade that is the one that's like my skin tone or even darker, so that it can be easy to blend, because once you are doing your eyebrows, you want to be able to blend properly. So I'm blending, and we're blending. You see how easy that was. How easy that was. So we've done the down parts. It's now time for us to do the upper part, and we're just going to be using the same concealer that we used in the front. That's the one that's my skin tone, to do the upper part. Just a little bit of product so that it won't be too much. Just a little bit of product. So we're doing the upper part now, and just like so. Sorry, I just hope I'm not blocking you guys. Like so. Like that, yeah. So you see, you have a perfect brow. Perfect brow, perfect brow, perfect brow, perfect brow. So that's just it. And I'm going to bring the second one now so that we can wrap this video up. Hey guys, so this is just me telling you that you should be careful when you are doing your brows, because you don't want to clean some parts that you're not supposed to clean on the outline. So this is just me using a brow pencil, the brow pencil, to outline the parts that I cleaned by mistake, and I'm just brushing it out. Remember to always brush so that the hairs and the products can come together. I'm just cleaning any excess products that goes way above the line, and that is it. Last and final step I like to do is take a blending brush, just a buffing brush, to buff out the products around my forehead, like so. Just buff it out, buff it out. I'm just going to be doing this. You can see that it's blending. You just need to blend your makeup, that's just it. Just blend, 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 blend. Keep blending, keep blending, keep blending, keep blending, keep blending, keep blending. You blend down, blend. You just keep blending. Basically, we're going to be doing for the second part now. You guys, believe it or not, this shade is my shade. I know I'm looking a bit crazy right now, but the concealer is very creamy, so that's why it's looking like a lot. So we're just blending and blending and blending. You want to blend out all the products into your forehead. You can see the reason why I said I should put some primer on your forehead and a little bit of powder also, so that once the products get into your forehead, you don't have anything to worry about, like I'm not priming my face for makeup and all of that. So you see, so we're just going to blend this also. Blend the product down to your eyebrows like so. Blend, 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 blend. Everything has to be blended. Blend, blend, blend. Guys, I know we're looking a bit crazy right now, but now that you've seen how we did the brows, you can see how they're looking like sisters, like Lydia and Lily. So it's know that you can see them. I'm just going to go off camera now and do my full makeup and come back to show you guys the beauty of it all coming together. So stay tuned. So guys, I hope you guys can see my eyebrows, how beautiful they are looking. I finished my makeup now, and I hope you guys can see how it all comes together and it matches with my face. This is my brow. No matter what makeup I'm wearing, this is how I'm going to be doing my eyebrows. So I hope you guys I hope you guys learned a lot from this video. I hope you share it, I hope you comment, I hope you do all that good stuff to me, because your girl is looking beautiful. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye, see you on my next one.